All right, just pulled off the road, shooting some real estate stuff up in a little town called Lake Almanor. I've been wanting to practice flying the drone through trees, like tight proximity stuff. Highway 32 from Lake Almanor back to Chico, and there's a bunch of campgrounds scattered throughout here in the forest, and they're all closed down right now. I think because it's not officially summertime yet, so they're not cleaned up, or COVID has them shut down, but I think it's still really early in the season. Anyways, perfect spot to go practice flying a drone at an old campground. Let's check it out. Here's my fancy drone bag that I bring everywhere. All right. Record on the GoPro.